Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, September 11th, obviously national holiday. Hug all your loved ones. Um, just get into the trading and trying to, control what we can control. West Coast is crazy with the wildfires and all the air quality and everything that's going on. So, kind of a heavy heart Friday, but we're going to keep it moving. Just taking a quick look at the markets. I set up a watch list of a bunch of different sectors and ETFs so we can just take a quick snapshot of what's performing well on the day, and what's getting beaten up. Overall, today is mostly pretty green. There's not a whole lot of you know crazy headlines or anything like that today. Um, Kind of grinding a little bit higher. There's a little bit of a risk off. It feels like silver and housing doing good. XHB and ITB are both housing, and then having the metals be up there and some of the staples. We're just kind of still in, it seems like a catch up trade type of environment where there seems to be a little bit of risk in the growth areas, which is great because that's where I want to be buying stocks, and we have a little bit of a window. Um, the SPY is up about 0.5%, and we're down, 0.3%. So we're trailing the market, which we never like, but it's kind of a reversal day. Overall, we're seeing the market go from these tech leaders to some of these companies that have been trailing behind. So overall, I think things are pretty healthy. Not a ton of volume, but I think it's a good opportunity to add a little. I'm not going to go crazy. Probably going to add a little bit to the positions that um, we put on yesterday, and add a few more looking at our watch list. Probably spread that out over a couple of sessions today. Our laggard of the day so far is DocuSign, which is trading down under 202, which I like. Let's just add a share of that really quick. These positions are going to keep getting bigger, and I just think we'll still have a chance to maybe get better prices. So let's get our first trade on. A little baby one. Alright, so we had a little bit of DocuSign. I also want to add, I wanted to get this Apple position up just a tiny bit. Alright, let's hop back over to our watch list really quick. The market's looking pretty healthy today. There's no, outsized moves pulling us higher, and we're pretty balanced. Fastly is a company that is an internet service company, and over the last 180 days, they're up 325%, and over the last 90 days, they're up 250%. So it's something I've kept an eye on. I don't have a position. I've never had a position in it. It's still currently losing quite a bit of money, and they're down today 4%, but that's a stock at $80, which it's a little over $8 billion company. That's one that I've looked at, but I've never had a position in. And just looking at it, that's a pretty nasty head and shoulders. Yeah, if that breaks down below 70, that's going to be a pretty quick run to $40. I'm not convicted on this one, but this is one that just has been such a great performer that I wanted to keep an eye on it. again, I still like the bigger companies in the tech sector. Get some PayPal. Yeah, it's just a crazy performer. I like this down on the 50-day. I think I want to be around, kind of a arbitrary number, but around 11,000, 12,000 in total positions after 2 days, I think is good. I wanted to be around 5K, 6K per day. So we'll buy a little bit more today in the afternoon session. Just going to nothing's really jumping off the board at me. But we'll keep a close eye on it. And I might hop back in and do another session today. If not, there's a podcast dropping later, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good rest of your Friday. I'll talk to you later.